My paper title is Blockchain-based Mobile Digital Forensic. My name is Sang-Yong Lee at Namseol University. First, introductions. As high-level computing technology and digital storage devices are advancing rapidly, digital crimes using large amount of information in the form of digital data are getting increasing accordingly. Digital evidence has a very significant meaning in solving cybercrime. Digital forensic technology that investigate digital evidence in most of all forensic fields, for instance, analysis on cybercrime, violent crime, fraud, defamations, amounting fraud, tax evasion, and wreckage of trade secret has been attacked as a cutting-edge technology. This brings legal effect through the process of collecting evidence, recovery of evidence, and analyzing evidence in order to effectively array data for data forensic. ICT-based analysis technology, for instance, storage, media, file system, data processing, and networking is required. In particular, an investigations technique that may provide preventive measure is required, which use malicious code in order to respond to intelligent cybercrime by identifying the cause of the accident and proceeding with prompt recovery. With the release of various types of smartphone, the number of mobile users is rapidly increasing. Due to the rapid spread of smartphone, users are receiving service, for instance, phone call, MMS, and social network function for web surfing, office work, multimedia, and others on personal computer with Windows or smart device based on Android or iOS. Accordingly, a data stored in smart device is recognized as very important evident data, and research on smart device is also being activity conducted from a digital forensic point of view. However, if a digital forensic analyst went to manually analyze the meaning of each data and eject useful information, it required considerable time and effect. With the development of IT technology, that the rapid diffusion of smartphone, the use of large capacity storage device and various digital devices has result analysis target as they cause large capacity and diversification, which saw the limitation of existing digital forensic analysis method. When used are various functions such as web surfing, phone call, MMS, and social network function with smart device. They are required to further develop technology. Accordingly, research on digital forensic technology that may solve the problem is building activity conduct as data stored in smart device has been recognized as very important evidence. However, there is a problem in that it is difficult to find significant information among a lot of information, and it is very difficult to apply when the user's digital evidence is distributed in several places. Therefore, this study implemented a smartphone user analysis framework that may exact digital forensically significant digital evidence by analysis users' status on smartphone application that is encrypted on base of blockchain. And this study conduct a specific research which digital forensic technology may be effectively used by analyzing the implemented system. Second, mobile digital forensic studies relate to the field of mobile forensic that has been conducted in the initial time is focused on data acquisition and restoration. In particular, restoration technology and general forensic analysis of a smart device has been researched in terms of criminal investigation. A lot of research has been conducted based on software-centered data that may acquire hardware-oriented data and restore corrupt data. Moreover, there are various forensic and domestic standard documents that are related to mobile forensic procedure. The mobile forensic procedure is basically expanded to the procedure established in computer forensic, and as new mobile devices are continuously released, response to this matter are continuously proposed and established. Uh, representative forensic standard document related to the mobile forensic procedure is Guideline on Mobile Device Forensic SP 8001001 Reg 1 of NIST, United States. This document was published on 26. In this document, the mobile forensic execution process is divided into 4 stages: preservable observations, acquisition, examination, and analysis and reporting. The stage of preservation is about how to respond when a mobile device is found in the field. For instance, response to blocking radio wave and network. The acquisition stage is about how to identify and secure the device through model name of the mobile device and other, and how to collect inside data with the mobile forensic tool. The state of examination and analysis stage is about listing the type of data to be analyzed that are collected in mobile device data and analyzing data using mobile forensic analysis tool. The stage of reporting is about drawing up or writing report on the overall performance of a mobile forensic. In addition to this, there are procedures proposed by Cynthia A. Murphy and Achitgor. The state of the procedure proposed by the standard document are studied very according to the degree of subdivision. However, the core contents are similar. In general, mobile forensics secure necessary information through portable devices such as mobile phone, PDAs, laptop, digital diary, digital camera, and USB memory card for analysis. Mobile forensic technique may be classified into three types according to the method of extracting stored data. Smartphone forensic collect data saved on various services such as contact information, photo, video, uh, phone record, internet, SNS, and financial transaction, and submit documenting information to the court that may be used as evidence. Smartphone forensic is based on the mobile forensic procedure, and some procedure must be performed for evidential data based on feature of some smartphone. Preparations for forensic investigations may include various resulting depending on the composition of forensic expert. Administration procedure for investigations, environment of the subject of target and the scope of the case, proportion of evidence, training, experience of forensic number, and training for investigation. Composed of forensic expert. A smartphone forensic expert must know the file system of the smartphone operating system, the directory structure and form of important data and others, and the forensic team should be composed of experts who has the ability to use the smartphone forensic tool and have expertise in field of mobile forensic. Framing of evidential data collection. Framing of evidence data collection should be performed conducting that the method of collecting evidence differ depending on the type of smartphone. In other words, when framing evidence to data, each investigator should take each different rule for framing evidence to data according to their skill and ability. What should be considered is whether the smartphone's operating system and built-in memory are included or not, and check whether smartphone support evidence collection such as smart system time information, user account information, process information, network information, and document information for collecting evidence data. Therefore, it is important to check the component included in the smartphone forensic tool in order to avoid error when collect evidence data. Uh, type, type, typical procedure of Android smartphone data forensic analysis is as follows. It is a smartphone optimized for Google service that include OHA with an open mobile phone platform that is developed by Google based on Linux operation system. Furthermore, mobile forensic should be applied as evidence data of the crime when a mobile device is involved in a crime, for instance, mobile communication device. Evidence collection is of importance to digital forensic and secure the integrity of important evidence collected is significant for the court in terms of selecting detailed evidence data. This picture is Android smartphone detailed forensic analysis procedure. Android smartphone system save a lot of data, for instance, personal user data and application use as work data. The data stored in the Android smartphone includes data stored in the SQLite database, which is a database. Key value data stored in the shared preference, which is XML data, and local files such as various log or cookies. Most of these data are stored in the folder of database field and preference with the name of data installation package name. This picture is the SQLite data file in the Android smartphone. In general, blockchain technology is one of the type that is distributed database, which is a legal technology that record change on additions, modification, and detection related to the specific information in block unit and shared and manage them. The legal generally means a list of transactions. However, if it is encrypted or shared data information, blockchain technology may be applied to all data. This picture is architecture of a blockchain-based analytic system. Finally, conclusion. Blockchain-based digital forensic technology is an efficient way to prevent of evidence, include collecting and analyzing evidence data using the technologies complements and smartphone forensic procedure after a smartphone is seized. Moreover, the use of large capacity storage devices and various digital devices have become a realistic solution for its development of IT technology in situations where the existing data forensic analysis methods are regarded as limitation. This paper analyzes users test on smartphone application and implement a smartphone user analysis framework that may extract significant data evidence in a digital forensic way based on blockchain perspective. In conclusion, this study research a system that may guide important information to digital forensic analysis through those frameworks. It is expected that this system will be expanded by much more structured data and online unstructured data such as SNS data.